Here's how to install a Rain-X RearView wiper blade on a Trunnion arm. Locate the packaged adapter labeled T. To install, align the T adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointed in the same direction as the arrow on the wiper blade base. Press the adapter onto the wiper blade until it locks into place with a click. Begin by placing the wiper arm in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual of your vehicle on how to do this. To remove the old wiper blade, place one hand between the wiper blade and the wiper arm. Rotate the wiper blade until it disengages. To install the new wiper blade, align the cross pin on the wiper blade under the slots in the wiper arm. Press the wiper blade firmly into place until it locks with a click. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X RearView.